Okay, welcome to today's lesson. So what you will be doing is you are going to be editing photos and you are going to turn it in. So what you will do is you are going to pick your favorite cooperation photo. You're going to open it in Photos, which is a program that is on all PCs. Then we're going to crop it, apply a filter, and change the brightness. We're then going to save it as Cooperation Edited Last Name. Once you've done with that, you need to go to the next video to find out how to turn it in on OneDrive. You will be turning it in on OneDrive, not emailing it to me. I did that last time to show you where your email was, and it is another skill. So to do this, what you are going to do is you're going to open up your File Explorer. You're going to go to OneDrive, 2122, Intro to Arts, Quarter 1, Photos, and then you are going to pick your favorite photo. Now what you need to do is if you put your cursor right on top of the photo, you can right click and say Edit with Photos. So now what's going to happen is it's going to come up in a program that is on your computer. It's on any Windows 10 computer, and it's just a great way if you need to make some little edits to your pictures. It can be from any picture. But we're going to do the three things. We're going to crop, we're going to put a filter, and we're going to do an adjustment. So the first thing, if you look in the corner, if I put my cursor to the corner, it becomes an arrow. If I'm closer to the middle, it's not. If I put my cursor and I just make it smaller, and I move it in, and then if I take and click and hold and drag, I can move the picture around so it goes in the new frame. Once you've done that, go up here again and you're going to click on Filters, and you can play around with all the different filters to see which one you like. When you figure out the one you like, then we're going to go to Adjustments, and like I told you, we're going to do the brightness. So you can play with any one of these under Light, and I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. And now we are going to save a copy. Make sure when you save the copy that you are in your Photos folder on OneDrive. This here is going to be your friend. If you do not put it in the right place, it will make completing assignments and turning them in much harder. So we are in our photos and we're going to call it Cooperation Edited and then your last name. If you do not put your last name, you will not be able to turn it in because my computer is going to think that it has already been turned in if it's just called Cooperation Edited. It needs to have a new specific file name, which is why you always need to put your last name, just like you do on paper. So once I have Cooperation Edited and last name, then you're going to click Save. You can go ahead and close out of your picture, and you can even close out of your File Explorer and watch the other video, because that will be how you turn it in on OneDrive. If you have any problems or questions, let me know. If not, have a great day.